Hey guys, we're back here with another video. About to do an oil change on a 2020 Yamaha YFZ450. This is the bike. Here with my man Michael, fixing his lemon because it's yellow. You know, we're here, so we're about to do an oil change. And what we're looking for is, you have a drain screw right here. Let me see. 12 millimeter right here. If you could see that, yeah, right there. Yeah, the front one that's right here. 12 also. Some people take off the skid plates, which I believe you do not have to. They have the holes there to get to it. And let's get to it. Basic things you're gonna need: oil pan, put that underneath. You don't want to dirty anything. That drain out, and we'll move on. You can take the oil cap out to get more flow through it. Next one we're going to be taking out, oh yeah, now I got my tools. Next one we're going to be taking out, this one, you can see it. Nah. Make sure you don't lose the washers that's on there, and before you put them back, clean them up real good, so you won't have no dirt, anything on it, and it'll sit right. You won't have no leaks. Let the oil drain. You can see the oil draining. You see it coming out. In this front hole, you can still see some coming out. But yeah, make sure you want to let it drain and make sure you get all of it out. Get all the metal shavings and everything out. Once it's done draining, bolts, clean it up real good. That shit was black. No, it was still fresh. It's not that though. It's when you get a new bike, everything breaks in and you get the metal shavings in it. And by the way, this is the first.
For its continued sponsorship.
Huh?
You gotta gas. You gotta be like, I just want to thank Yamaha for its continued sponsorship.
Now you want to move to the other side to the oil filter. So now you're on the other side. What you're looking for here is your oil filter, which is here. 3 Allens. 3 Allens. Matter of fact.
Paint them over, right? Well, got that rough shit, but I was looking at one. You talking about these, right?
What's that?
Drill bits?
What about this?
To like re-drill it, or no?
Yeah. So you talking about your bike?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I ain't not recording.
This recording. You want to clean up the surface, make sure ain't no dirt. The only oil, so that's it. I didn't know if you had a new one or not. You don't need it. Clean this up so you don't have no dirt. Now you want to go here and fill your oil up.
At least that shit right there, bro.
So it takes one, turn it on, let it run for a while at idle, let the oil get everywhere. I don't know, 5-10 minutes, 5 minutes. Shut it off, let it cool down, and check your oil. If it needs to be topped off, top it off. If not, have fun riding.